If every new client makes you rebuild the same process from zero, you don't have a freelance business yet. You have a job that resets every week. You find the client, you write the message, you build the proposal, you plan the delivery. Every single time, from scratch. That's not freelancing. That's a treadmill. Let's get you off it. Here's how to automate the repetition without automating the part that actually matters. First, the rule that keeps this safe. Don't automate your judgment. Automate your repetition. Your judgment, what to say to this client, what this project actually needs, whether the work is good enough, that stays with you, always. But the repetitive scaffolding around it, the intake questions, the checklists, the follow-up messages, that's what you turn into a system. Same freelancer as always, writing newsletters for small online stores. Right now, they rebuild everything each time. Let's fix that.
So what actually gets systemized? 4 things. The parts you repeat with every single client. 1. Client intake. The same questions every time. 2. The delivery checklist. Your quality bar. 3. The first draft workflow. How you start. And 4. The follow-up. The message that gets you repeat work. Notice what's not on this list? The actual creative decisions. Those stay human. You're building Rails, not autopilot.
Here's where it gets real. Instead of building this from memory every time, you make AI generate your reusable system once. Watch. You open ChatGPT and you give it this. Create a repeatable freelance delivery system for a newsletter writer. Include client intake questions, a delivery checklist, a first draft workflow, and a follow-up message for repeat work. And in seconds, you get a full framework. Not a one-time answer, a template you'll reuse for every client. You built the system once, now it's yours forever. But here's the line you never cross. AI gives you the template. You approve it. You edit it. You make it match how you actually work. A system you don't understand isn't a system. It's a liability. So you read every part. You cut what doesn't fit. You keep what does. Now when a new client says yes, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from your system.
Then you save it where you'll actually use it. Simple tools, no fancy software. Your intake questions live in a Google Doc. Your checklist in a sheet. Your follow-up message as a saved Gmail reply. One click, every time. This is the whole secret. Not expensive automation software. Just your proven process, saved once, reused forever. The client thinks you're fast. Really? You're just systemized. So that's the system. Automate the repetition, protect your judgment, and stop rebuilding your business every week. And that closes the loop. You found the client, you priced the work, you delivered it, and now you've turned what worked once into a system that repeats. You don't grow by doing everything again. You grow by turning what worked once into a system. This is Money OS. We cut through the hype so you don't have to.